Although not a road rage situation, you may encounter aggressive pedestrians. We've seen protesters take to the streets and block traffic in recent times. If you can avoid these situations, do. Social media and news outlets often report these demonstrations, so if you can, find an alternate route. If you do find yourself stopping with no way around a blockage, stop the vehicle, set the brakes, lock all the doors and windows, and calmly remain in the vehicle. Immediately notify law enforcement, as they may not be aware of the situation, and if you have a dash camera or cell phone, make sure it's recording the incident. Not all highway demonstrations are necessarily peaceful. Ensure that you're following your local law enforcement, news, and social media accounts to stay aware of any situation in your immediate area. Making safe decisions is everyone's responsibility, from drivers to protesters, to ensure that no one gets hurt.